I am Dr. Nawaz. I am from Chitradurga and I am BMS and MD in Ayurveda, and I have experienced about 20 years. I completed in 2001, and since from 20 years I am practicing successfully in my home city in Karnataka. Let us discuss about the cancer and what are the steps and what is the detailed description about the cancer. I think you maybe know the cancer is, we defined it as it is abnormal growth in the cell and it creates a very harmful effect to the person. But according to Ayurveda, we have an elaborate description since 500 years back, and it is called as Arbuda from all the acharyas like Sushruta, Charaka and Vagbhata. As per the compared to the modern and Ayurveda, the cancer we can treat both very successfully, but at a proper, if we diagnose at a proper stage, and if we like it is having a first stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage, like this it is having a different steps of diseases, and we can get a good prognosis if we diagnose at a first and second stage, and even little bit tough diagnosis on the third and fourth stage compared to modern and Ayurveda. If we come to our own medicine, my own medicine on Oncobark, and we have a good prognosis on all the stages of the disease. It is not I am telling that I can treat even a fourth stage even in a failure, but I can extend his life at the fourth stage also. If we bring at the first and second stage, I can give a 100% assured that I can treat up to maximum extent compared to the modern. But if we see the modern, if we see the chemotherapy and radiation, it definitely affects some side effects to the patient and even to the family on economical also. But as if we take our medicine, if we take my medicine, that is Oncobark, it cost about 40 rupees per dose. This one, the dosage of the rate, and it is highly effective on all the types of cancer. But it is not fixed that for all the types of cancer I am not giving a single type of medicine. It based on different stages and different types of cancers. If we go for if you want to take these medicine, it is not I should receive all the medical reports before what you have attended any MRI scans or any diagnostic features, like if you undergone some biopsy or FNAC test, whatever the blood and examination, all those tests if you send to me, and I can judge that whether you are suitable or you are capable to take this medicine, and later on I will give this medicine. I am not promising that for all the cancer patient you come and collect this medicine. It is not suitable for all the persons. Yes, but it is having some criteria, that is inclusive and exclusive criteria, so that I can give the description under in my. So that's why we have opened one more new page. If you, that is www.oncobark.com. At that page you can get a elaborate description about what are the inclusive criteria and exclusive criteria. Lastly, by concluding this about the medicine Oncobark, I want to tell you some of the most important reliable informations. Number one, we will give this medicine to each and every age, any age of the person, like even children's or even in a old age or in a middle age. And second one, we can give this medicine for especially even for before cancer and even after the cancer. If you after the treatment, like if you people undergone the surgery and chemotherapy, still you want to prevent this reoccurrence, on those people also we will give this medicine. Second, and the third important point where we can use this medicine is even it acts as a immunity fights against the cancer. The person who is having some doubts about where the person may get the cancer, and if you have some primary investigations, like if under FNAC, or if you have some tendency that these cases may attain the cancer, for those persons also we can provide this medicine. And fourth one, we can provide this medicine for all the systemic disorders of cancerous diseases. For example, even in esophageal cancer, it may be, or even it may pulmonary cancer, or even it may lung cancer, or even pleural or skin cancer, any type of cancer. But what previously I told, we need some your medical reports, the diagnostic reports. Based on that, we will prepare our own formulation and we will give the medicine. So lastly, I want to tell you one more thing. It is free from all the side effects. It doesn't create any side effects even for any age group and even in any patients. Even if you people have nephrotoxic patients, like if a person is having some kidney problems, whether I can take this medicine or not, they can contact us, and those persons also can take this medicine. And even some cardiac patients or some of the patients who have already taken almost all the any herbal or any nati vaidyas, like we used to give some traditional medicine, and if they think no, again if we go for these medicine, whether it creates any side effects, no, it doesn't create any side effects even for a previous, if you have taken the medicine or not, but it doesn't create any side effects to the body and even to the particular organ. So all of you, lastly I want to encourage you that you can enjoy this medicine by taking this formulation, because it is free from all the steroids and metals. It doesn't have any metals and any non-vegetarians and non-veg food or steroids, everything. It is purely made up of bark and it is purely from the vegetable origin. Description, you can log on to our page www.oncobark.com, and we have provided almost all description about in detail about the Oncobark. And you can collect the medicine by courier also, but before collecting the courier, we should receive all your medical reports concerned to the cancer, where you have taken the before surgery or after surgery, or even if you people are undergoing for the chemotherapy also, if you are taking chemotherapy medicine, those persons also can contact to us by sending your reports. After that, we will judge whether we will decide whether you are suitable for that our medicine or not, and then we will give the different types of medicine, and we have a different combination on different diseases. It is not like that only one medicine we can treat with all the type of cancer. We have a different formulations based on your medical reports. We will prepare our own formulation and we will provide to you. If it is well and good, if the patient is coming and personally contacting us, even though if you are unable to contact, you can get the medicine by courier and even by our online discussion, telephonic, or it may be a email discussion. So that's why we have our own email ID, and even we have our email ID, what we will give under below description of this video. And thank you and one and all. And it is most I think I glad to tell you that it is very happiest moment for all the cancer patient. You can enjoy this medicine at maximum level, and definitely you will get a good result and good prognosis. And I am challenging this medicine by taking this medicine that each and every person who is presently the taking, and they are very satisfied with my own treatment. But the main thing is the inclusive and exclusive criteria is very important. So that's why once again I am telling you that you please send your medical reports and the diagnostic lab reports, everything. Based on that we will finalize and we will provide the medicine. Thank you and one and all.